Yeah, hi, myself, AAQUIB. So I have chatted with KodeKloud like a couple of years back. So initially it was with CKA. I explored in Udemy Mumshad's CKA course. So I find it really interesting. That gave me the enthusiasm to explore more into KodeKloud platform. Initially from Udemy to KodeKloud, that's how it starts. So then I got certified in CKA with the help of this CKA course from Mumshad. And ever since I've been exploring, it is getting more and more interesting because like day by day, there are like very interesting topics and more new courses are introduced. So I took the Pro membership and I'm still an active Pro member for the past couple of years. And recently I have certified in CKS as well. So I will say that my Kubernetes and DevOps learning, it's like KodeKloud and Mumshad played a huge role in that. And yes, thanks Mumshad and thanks KodeKloud team for everything. So I am going for the CKAD, like CKA. I recently certified the CKS, so that was the toughest one. But with the help from Mumshad course, along with the mock exams, I appeared and managed to pass it. And now I'm planning to attend CKAD, and later on was into as a AAQUIB astronaut mostly. And yeah, not just about that. Like when it comes to KodeKloud, the adaptation level of DevOps and AI courses, it's pretty much the best curated courses I don't see anywhere else. So yes, thanks again for everything, KodeKloud. Obviously, I have already recommended to a couple of my colleagues, like, how it was like, I showed my Pro account to them, how things work, like the playground, normal courses, the virtual labs and everything. So, a couple of them already onboarded to that, like they started with standard and then went for the Pro membership like that. Let's see. Best DevOps day.